There's something about the spice and flavor of Mexican cuisine that's just so nice in the fall. And so today we're gonna use Snake River Farms Kurobuta pork tenderloins and do a chile verde. So chile verde, green chilies, I'm excited already. Okay, we're gonna start with these tenderloins, and this is how they come. They're pretty clean, but just to be safe, I'm gonna take this silver skin off because we just want all the pork goodness, and the silver skin can be a little hard to eat. So I'm gonna start cubing this up. What I usually do is I kind of get, those end pieces are okay, but the bigger pieces, I'll cut those in half. Now, we've got that ready to go. While we're waiting for this to heat up, we did a little pre-prep, and these are tomatillos, we have jalapeno chilies, we have poblano chilies, and we have Anaheim chilies. And you see they have a nice char on them. We're just gonna use a little bit of salt. We're gonna season these really nicely before we get them in there. And honestly, you can't put too much salt on. We don't have that much salt in this anyway. So let's go in, let's sear these up. Now you might have to do it in a batch. You don't wanna pile them in like in a stack. You want them like so there's just a single layer. And we want to get some char on this so we have a little flavor. That's what we want to see, that nice brown color. And now in this hot Dutch oven, we're going to take a cup of onions, and we have 5 smashed garlic cloves. They're all going in here. All right, we let those onions soften. And now we have our chopped chilies and tomatillos, and they're going in. We're going to give that a stir. And we also have cumin, coriander, and some Mexican oregano. We're gonna season that up. That's gonna add those nice spicy flavors. We're adding 2 cups of chicken stock to our mix and a ½ cup or so of chopped cilantro. So we're gonna take our chilies, onions, stock. We're gonna blend this up. And we wanna get it till it's smooth, but don't go too crazy. Okay, now we have our blended mixture. We're gonna put it back in here. Oh, it's good. Now the pork goes in. We're gonna put this on, turn the heat back on and let it finish cooking the pork for about 30 minutes. It's been simmering for 35 minutes. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. We're gonna go ahead and plate this up. The best thing to do is to eat it, but you can put it in, bring it to the table, serve it in bowls. And then we have some warm flour tortillas, some lime wedges, and some radishes to garnish with. So there you have it. Snake River Farms Kurobuta pork tenderloin made into a salsa verde. Perfect for the fall or really any time of year.